Welcome to our webinar. Today, we'll discuss an essential component of business growth for every small and medium-sized enterprise: online marketing. In today's digital world, online marketing is much more than just search engine optimization. It's a critical aspect of attracting customers, increasing sales, and building a visible brand. Therefore, I am excited to introduce our product to you today. This comprehensive solution not only assists you with SEO, but also offers extensive features to monitor and optimize all your online marketing activities. Let's begin with the onboarding process. Setting up our application is simple. Just enter your company name. If we find your business on Google, we can automatically import many details. Otherwise, we'll guide you through manual entry. At the end of the process, you can link your Google business profile, allowing us to gain deep insights into your company's current performance. After setup, you'll go directly to the dashboard. Here you'll find our newsfeed, which keeps you informed about ranking changes on search engine pages, Google Ads activities, social media updates, and much more. Not just about your business, but also your competitors. This way, you stay up to date on what's happening online. In our tasks section, divided into SEO, social media, and local marketing, you'll find personalized tasks based on your setup information. These tasks are accompanied by detailed text and video guides to help you optimize your online presence. The best part? Everything is tailored to your CMS, the program you use to manage your website. In the reporting area, you can track your Google rankings at local and national levels and see if your changes have been successful or if further adjustments are needed. You can also link your Google Analytics account to learn more about your customers' behavior. For businesses looking to quickly boost their presence on Google, our application offers the ability to create a Google Ads campaign. The setup is partially automated, and the campaign is reviewed by our ads experts before publication, helping you lead your campaign to success. Let's move to the online presence section. This area goes beyond SEO and helps you optimize your business profile on Google and major online directories. We ensure your NAP data, name, address, and phone number is displayed consistently and correctly to enhance your visibility and lend credibility to your business. More on the topic of online presence. Under the Online Presence tab, you can post content and events on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and your Google business profile in the engagement section. This not only boosts customer engagement, but also further improves your online visibility. Additionally, you can monitor the performance of these activities. Next is the online reputation section. Here you can view and respond to customer reviews. You'll also gain valuable insights into your online reputation and compare it with your competitors. Since 88% of consumers read customer reviews before making a purchase, this section is crucial for optimizing your marketing efforts. Now, let's turn our attention to the AI assistant. Recently, our application has included an AI assistant. This is particularly useful in the tasks and online reputation areas. It helps you create content and optimize texts for your website, as well as respond to customer reviews. You can even adjust the tone and style of the assistant to ensure it speaks authentically for your brand. Thank you for watching. We hope you have gained a good overview of the capabilities of our online marketing solution and look forward to supporting you in enhancing your online presence.